guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this yardstick door swag. It can also be used as a beautiful fall centerpiece or a garland. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Share this video with a friend who likes to make wreaths and do crafts. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So please click that subscribe button. For this yardstick door swag, you're going to need one yardstick, and you could spray paint it first if you want to. And you're going to need 2 rolls of the 10-inch fabric stripe mesh, and I ordered it online at Craft Outlet. You're going to need a foam block, and I believe I picked mine up at Dollar General, and you're going to need some pipe cleaners to get started. First, you're going to take a pipe cleaner and move down about 2 inches on your yardstick, and you're going to twist the pipe cleaner around the yardstick to the left side. Take a second pipe cleaner, twist it around the yardstick to the right side. And then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner, twist it around the yardstick, and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. Move down 4 or 5 inches, same steps. Take a pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side. Take a second pipe cleaner, twist it to the right side. And then take a third pipe cleaner and twist it around the yardstick and leave it pointed toward the center or the ceiling. Move down 4 or 5 more inches, and you're going to do the same steps. So I did 6 sets of 3 pipe cleaners for this yardstick door swag. So I did 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, and I put my foam in the middle. I make a new yardstick door swag for every season and holiday, so I have lots of yardstick door swag centerpiece garland tutorials on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to see more, check out my yardstick door swag playlist. So I have 3 at the top, and then I put 3 at the bottom. Now for the middle, since I wanted some mesh in the middle where the foam is, I just did a single set of pipe cleaners with 1 on the left and 1 on the right, and then I glued my foam on top of that. So here you'll see I just took 2 pipe cleaners, went in the middle of the yardstick, twisted 1 to the left, because you don't need 1 in the center since you have your foam sitting there. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I used some Gorilla Glue to glue my foam on, plus I'll also use some twine to tie it on so that way it would not move. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I like to use Gorilla Glue hot glue. So I just left the paper or the wrap on my foam and just glued it on, let it have time to dry. Then I added some twine to make sure it doesn't slide or move. I also added some hot glue around my pipe cleaners just to make sure they do not slide or move either. And here's the twine that I was telling you about. I just picked it up at Dollar Tree, and I just tied it on in 3 places. That way I know the foam's secure. Then here I'm taking my 10-inch mesh, and I am measuring it into 28-inch strips. So I'm going to cut my 10-inch mesh at 28 inches. You will need 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh. I only had 1, so I had to grab another solid color one that went with it to finish this wreath. So I'm just telling you in advance, pick up 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh. So for this yardstick door swag, you're going to cut 20 ruffles total. You're going to take your strip of mesh, let it curl toward the ceiling, roll each end a few times, then walk your fingers till they meet. Then you've got your pretty little woodland ruffle. Then go to the top of the yardstick, the pipe cleaner in the middle, pointed toward the ceiling. Put your ruffle in it and twist that pipe cleaner around it. Roll each end a few times, then walk your fingers up the middle until they meet to make your little woodland ruffle. This method keeps down the frame because each end is rolled. Now we're going to our yardstick and we're going to the top left pipe cleaner. And we're going to put our ruffle in it. So open up your pipe cleaner, put your ruffle in your pipe cleaner and twist that pipe cleaner around it several times. Then we're going to do the same steps for the pipe cleaner on the right side. Another option for making your ruffle is to take a clothespin or a chip clip, take your ruffle, you're going to roll the end 2 or 3 times, and then you're going to take your chip clip or clothespin, put it on the end, then go to the opposite end, roll it about 3 times, then you're going to take your fingers and walk it up the middle of your mesh until you get to your chip clip, and then remove the chip clip. And now you have a pretty little woodland ruffle. I ran out of the first color mesh, and so I ended up using this solid gold mesh, which worked out beautiful, so I got really lucky. So just same steps, you're just going to make a ruffle and put in each pipe cleaner. And on each side of the foam, I just put a single ruffle on the left side and on the right side, and then just kind of fluffed it. This makes a really full and fluffy yardstick door swag or centerpiece or garland. Now for the fun part, the fall floral picks. The adorable little pumpkins were 97 cents at Walmart, Mainstays brand, and I just picked them up last week. Next, these are also from Walmart, 97 cents. And then the sunflower pick, also Mainstays brand from Walmart. And then I ordered the ribbon online from Craft Outlet. I just took the pumpkin pick and I just went in the center and kind of pushed it into the foam at an angle. So I did one on the top and one on the bottom in the center on each end. And then the next I kind of went one on the left side and then one on the side at the bottom, and then one on the other side at the top, and one on the other side at the bottom. So 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, and then I wanted to tie a bow before I added any more of my floral picks. I am just making a double bow. This is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and I ordered it online from Craft Outlet. And then you'll also want to have a zip tie or some floral wire close by to wrap nice and tight around the center of your bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I have a bow playlist if you'd like to check that out. This one's very simple to make here, so I have lots of other options. There's lots of different ways to tie pretty bows. Now I'm just taking a zip tie, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow, and then I'm going to dovetail the ends, and then to attach it to the door swag, I am going to take a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, slide it underneath the zip tie. That way I can easily wrap it around the foam, go to the back of the yardstick, give the wires a few twists, and then cut them off short and fold them down. So I've dovetailed the ends, fluffed the loops of the bow, and here's where I'm adding the wire. And then next I just took it and wrapped it around. Make sure you thread the wires through the mesh when you're attaching your bow, and then go to the back, twist the wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. And when you get finished, you can cover the back of the yardstick with some felt. Now that I have my bow added, it's time to fill in with some more Walmart floral picks. So you could cut them into smaller pieces if you would like. I did cut the sunflower pick into smaller pieces and kind of filled in where I could still see the foam. Right now, Walmart, Dollar Tree, I haven't seen any fall flowers yet at Dollar General, but Michael's and Hobby Lobby also has fall flowers in. You could add a dot of hot glue onto the end of your floral pick if you want to before you push it into your foam. Today is July 19th and it's over 100 degrees here, so it's really hot. So I am ready for some fall weather and cooler temperatures. You'll have to let me know what date you're watching this video and what the temperature is at your house. So here's how it looks with the fall flowers added. And when you get finished, you can trim your pipe cleaners off shorter and fold them down if you would like. So I think the Walmart flowers are really pretty this year, and I can't believe they're only 97 cents, so cheaper than Dollar Tree, so that's an extra bonus. If you are using this as a centerpiece, you could add the battery-powered LED twinkle lights. That would be so pretty, or you might even could squeeze in some battery-powered LED candles. I like to do that for my centerpieces. Now I am going to be using it as a door swag, but I did show it as a centerpiece and it does look lovely, but I want to add some ribbon tails, so I'm just cutting my ribbon at 14 inches and I am going to add 2 sets of ribbon tails on each end. To dovetail the ends, just take your ribbon, fold it in half with the edge to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the end. It just kind of dresses up your ribbon. Next, you're going to take your ribbon tails, take 2 of them and kind of make an X, go to the middle and pinch them together, and then you're going to go to your last 2 sets of pipe cleaners, and you're going to find the middle one and twist the pipe cleaner around your ribbon tails. And I did that to the last 2 sets. And then on top of the pipe cleaners, I did take a Dollar Tree pumpkin pick, cut it into smaller pieces, and then hot glued some of the pumpkin pick on top of the center of the ribbon tails. I almost added some sunflowers to the center of the ribbon tails, so pumpkins or sunflowers or any type of pretty flower is also a good option to put in the middle. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this yardstick door swag that is also perfect for a fall centerpiece. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you share it, please let me know. I would love to know who shares my videos because I really appreciate it. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And thank you guys that always leave the sweetest, just such positive comments on my videos. Y'all are just the best, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.